In this video, let me show you how to delete the cache on your MacBook Neo. So right now I'm on the desktop and I suggest you go here as well. There's a small trick that not many people know. First of all, you'll have to keep press on the Option button. Okay, so I'm keeping it pressed and I'm not releasing it. I will simply go with the cursor and click on Go. Now you'll be able to select Library. If I release my finger from the Option button, Library disappears. If I keep it pressed, it's appearing here. So that's the small trick. Select Library, and now you need to search for Caches folder. Okay, it's this one. There's only one of them. If you cannot see it, it's hard for you to find it, simply type the C letter on your keyboard and it will bring you to it, or type another time and it should be there. Once you see caches, double click it, and here you have all the cache that is kept in the memory of your MacBook Neo. You can select everything simply by clicking on, keep press command, tap A, and everything will get selected that is on the folder. Now, right click anywhere on one of these folders and select Move to Trash. Then go over here where the trash is, right click on it and select Empty Trash. Empty Trash. And now you have deleted your cache on your MacBook Neo. As you saw, I don't know if you saw, there is a file that appeared automatically in my cache. It's because this folder will kept filling up after you delete everything. It's just gonna take some time, and in the meanwhile, you have saved some memory. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment if this was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.